This one got hit down low in this bottom corner here. You can see how wadded up this floor section is right here.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of...
Alright, so I am back on this GMC Terrain from last weekend, replacing this rear body panel section.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
Smashed real good all in this area, so it's gonna get this center part of this rear body panel. Now the procedures from GM says to MIG plug weld all of this back panel on. However, I was going to try using our spot welder here, but it looks like our biggest arm will not fit around how deep this panel is. There's no way to get it in there, so I'm not going to be able to use the spot welder. I'm going to have to plug weld this bottom section. I'll spot weld across the top here, but all of this I'm going to have to take this panel back off and make some holes for plug welds across here, and I will get this panel on. I'm going to hold this bracket up there to make sure it's lining up with these outside holes. Make sure all 4 of those line up. Looks like they're going to. Yeah. That's what we want. Alright, I'm going to send this one on over to our paint department. Let them get it painted. I have a Honda Accord here. This one got hit down low in this bottom corner here. I made some pulls on this one the other day because I want to see how all of this was going to come out. If you look down here, you can see how wadded up this floor section is right here. It wasn't going to come out, so I had them order the new part. I have it right here. I have to separate it from this rail piece. It comes as one piece, but only has 2 welds holding it to this, so I'm going to separate this floor section off of there, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this one out, and I'm going to put that new floor section in, and then when I get it out of there, I'll do the rest of my repair work on this rear body panel and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this one apart. There it is. So this is the old floor section, and I have to reproduce this sound deadening pad right here. So what I'm gonna do, I have a heavy bodied seam sealer right here, which is some real thick stuff, and I'm gonna lay it down on the new floor. Then I have a spreader that I cut a pattern out in, and in order to get that texture, once I lay the seam sealer down, I'll take this and I'll spread it to put those lines in it, and that's how I'm gonna reproduce that. I'm gonna first spread the stuff together with this brush, and then I'll put the lines in it. Works better on a flatter surface. There's a lot of dips in this floor, but it'll turn out just fine. There it is. And then you could always clean these off. I've been using this one for years. Clean it off real good and reuse it.